Hello everybody, I hope everyone is doing well and welcome back to my bathroom. I'm really excited to get in here and decorate it the way I want to, but today I brought this from my office, my little pampas grass and dried roses, for some decorative aspects and a little bit more of a fun background. Actually, I just thought of something I can add back there. Let me go grab it. Look what arrived this morning. It's my YouTube plaque. It is crazy. I can't even believe I'm holding one of these. I never thought I would ever be holding one of these. This is insane and such an honor. And it's all thanks to you guys, so thank you for subscribing me. I'm gonna put it on my toilet. Whoa. Nice. Okay. So today, I didn't even say what I'm doing today, but today I'm going to be doing an updated skincare routine video, my morning routine as well as my nighttime routine. I have made a few changes since my last video, just because my last video is right when coronavirus hit Canada. And when I get stressed, one of my reactions is I break out a lot, so I have been having a lot of acne in these two areas right here. So I kind of catered my skincare routine to that. I do have a combo skin type. I'm more oily in the center and more normal around the outskirts. And another thing I want to say is I'm no skincare expert. This is just what happens to work for me. Skincare is very personal, and if I make any mistakes, please kindly let me know in the comments down below. I'm self-taught with all this skincare stuff. There's so many different opinions out on the internet that it's a lot. It's a lot. But anyways, just gonna take a little sip of my matcha before I get in here. It's not good today. But anyways, I just got out of the shower, so I technically already cleansed my skin. I usually am more of a nighttime shower, but I had to wash my hair today, which is not a fun day. The cleanser I use, let me just go quickly retrieve it from my shower. This is the one I've been using recently. I put aside my fresh soy face cleanser just so that I could try out a few more things. Oh, Charlie wants attention. Come on in then. You want to come in? Come join the party. Okay. I did want to try out a few other cleansers. I didn't want to just be stuck with that one. I do really love that one still, and I have another backup I'm going to open up soon. I just wanted to explore a little bit, and this is the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser from Youth to the People. Longest name ever, but this is the cleanser I've been using. I love the bottle. I don't love it as much as the fresh soy face cleanser. I feel like that one does a really good job at not overstripping my skin, and it still leaves my skin feeling hydrated and perfect. With this one, sometimes I find it leaves my skin feeling too clean, not squeaky clean. Like, it doesn't feel stripped, it just feels like a little bit lacking of moisture. But still, this is the cleanser I've been trying. And now moving into the products, the first thing I've been putting on my face in the morning is this right here. This is the Ultra Repair Oat and Hemp Seed Oil. It's a dry oil actually, so that's really nice for oilier skins. And I've just been really falling in love with face oils. I always was a little bit more intimidated by them, but I have fully switched over to loving them. So I take about 3 to 4 drops of that, and I just press it onto the skin. It just adds some nice moisture, and I have been using retinols in my nighttime skincare routine a few times a week, so this just helps to really hydrate my skin, because retinol can kind of make your skin feel flaky and dry. And I really like to hydrate my skin because my skin responds better, because if I use too many products that are made for oily skin, my skin tends to produce even more oils. So it's just weird. So I found that overhydrating it works the best. Now I go into an eye cream. This is the First Day Beauty Niacinamide Brightening Cream. I've talked about this on my channel a lot, and it's great. I love how brightening it is under the eye. It has some shimmer running through it, so it just like physically brightens, and it looks really nice under makeup as well, but it also doesn't affect my concealers or anything during the day, and I just see so many beautiful benefits because it has that niacinamide in it. And I don't put it on to my actual eyelid during the day, just because I find that that creases my eyeshadow, so I just avoid my eyelid area. So now I go into a moisturizer, and I've kind of been using two. I just ran out of my Tatcha water cream that I love very much. The one that I've been using instead of that is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer, which is really, really nice and lightweight for oily type skins. But another one that I've been using also is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream Light, which this is like an undercover SPF. It has like a lot of the same ingredients that go into SPFs, but it's not marketed as one, and also has like blue light protection, which I don't know if it does anything for your skin, but I've been using this under makeup. It's great. It's just like a lighter version of her magic cream. It is extremely expensive. It's 125 Canadian, so I've just been trying it out just to see if it actually is that amazing, but I think after I finish this bottle I won't be repurchasing it, but I'm going to enjoy its presence in my life while it's here. But I'm going to be using this guy today, the Daily Greens moisturizer. I don't always feel the need to go in with a moisturizer when I use an SPF over top of this anyways, just because I am using retinol. I just want to have a really nice hydrated base, you know? And now for the last step of my morning routine. This one is the most important step as well. It is sunscreen, and this is the one that I've been loving very much. It's the Volition Prismatic Luminizing Shield SPF 50, which is great, but it's a really nice formulation. It's a very, very runny and liquidy, which kind of scared me at the beginning, but it's really nice and lightweight and easy to apply and spread all over. The thing I love most about this sunscreen is that the blue tint kind of goes away very, very quickly, and it also kind of dries down and mattes down, but it still makes your skin look very luminous and like glowy at the same time, but without feeling greasy at all. And it does not smell like a sunscreen at all, which is fantastic. And it also has SPF 50, which is a dream. All of my other face sunscreens that I've been using over the years have always been like 30, SPF 30. I'm happy that I found a SPF 50 that works very well. So I just smother that everywhere, get it on the ears, behind the ears, the neck. And I use a different body sunscreen, but I just put the excess that I put too much on my chest, just double layer. That is it for my morning routine. I just like to keep my morning routine very simple. So now I'm going to go enjoy my day, drink the rest of this disaster, and I will meet you back here in the evening. Good evening, everybody. It's now time to go into the nighttime sequence. I even brought in my ring light for some good lighting in here. And I know myself, I'm gonna leave it in here overnight, and for my midnight pee, it's gonna scare the hell out of me. I'm gonna think it's a round alien in my bathtub. But that's the journey that's gonna happen tonight. But anyways, let's move into the products. I'm someone who loves to double cleanse, and I highly recommend you going towards a double cleanse. It is incredible for your skin. There's so many benefits. I have a few favorite oil cleansers, but this one is a recent favorite of mine. This is the Ren Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. It's great. I already squeezed some out. I really enjoy this stuff. It's a little bit more of a thicker consistency, but it like really takes off everything. I love double cleansing because the oil cleanser will kind of break down all of the makeup and get rid of it very gently. Then it just ensures that your skin is extra clean before adding your other skincare items as well. And for my mascara, I kind of just like lay it on there and kind of move the mascara down the lash. And then I'll do these little tiny violin motions just to really work it into those lashes. And it's also great because it does not hurt my eyeballs. But now I'm going to rinse my face and emulsify this product, and I will be right back. Now it's time to move into my second cleanser, and I'm going to use this guy once again, the Youth to the People cleanser, and I'm putting it onto my Foreo. I forgot to dampen it real quick. I love this little device. It's so nice. Hello? Turn on. What? Wow, it just died. I didn't think these things died. Wow, wait, wow. The one time I want to use it on camera, it decides to die. I don't even know where this charger is. I'm just gonna use it without the vibrations, I guess. But anyways, pretend this is vibrating. This device is really great at really getting into all the nooks and crannies of your face and making sure it's clean. I also really like this thing because it allows me to be quite gentle on my skin while I'm cleansing it. Because sometimes at night I'm like really over it. I'm like, I just want to go to bed, so I'm like, which is horrible. And it also provides a little bit of a physical exfoliation as well, which is good, but it's very gentle. Like, it's not gonna create any micro tears at all. So that's nice. But anyways, I'm gonna rinse my face now. Okay, so now let's get into the products. I am going to be using my toner. And I have two here that I really love and enjoy. These two guys right here. The first one is the Ren Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. This one's really great. It has those exfoliating acids in it that just really reveal the glow, and it's so nice and gentle as well. This is my second bottle. And I also love this one from First Aid Beauty. It's the Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner. It's great just for those days where you feel like you need to have something a little bit more calming and hydrating, which is what I'm going to be using today. Also because I'm going to be using some serums that have some actives in it as well, so I don't want to like over exfoliate my skin. So I'm just going to apply that with my hands, kind of spread it out first, and then I'll press it into the skin. I kind of stopped using my reusable cotton rounds because I just felt like they were absorbing way too much, and I feel like this just works a lot better. Then I don't waste any product as well, which makes me happy. And I usually bring all my skincare down to my boobs as well, but just for YouTube's sakes, I will not be showing that. Now for eye cream, I don't really know if I super love any eye creams that I've ever come across. These are just the two I use the most consistently. The Pharmacy Cheer Up, which has vitamin C and all that good stuff, and this Caudalie one, their eye cream, which is nice as well. I really like to go for this one when I'm feeling a little bit more lazy because I love the packaging. It's just so simple, and you don't have to dig your finger into your product, and it squirts out a perfect amount each time. So I'm just gonna throw that under there. And I like to bring it on to my entire eyelid just because I do a lot of eyeshadow looks, and I don't know, I feel like my eyelids need the extra love, you know? But now moving into Essence. Essence is a thing that I always thought was like a marketing scheme just to make you buy more product. But then I found one that I really enjoyed, but I don't like that one anymore because it smells like my ex-boyfriend. I don't know why, but I just can't have it. So I swapped out for this one. This is the Peach and Lily Wild Dew Treatment Essence. It's very new to me. I've only used it a couple of times. I just spread it and then press it. I did that kind of backwards. I usually do my essence and then I put my eye cream on, but now let's move into my serums, and I usually go in with like 3. I don't know why, they're just fun for me. But the first one and my most favorite one is this Herbivore Prism. You can tell it is well loved because the writing on the front here is all rubbed off pretty much. But this is really great. It has AHAs and BHAs and quite a good concentration of them as well, so it's really nice and exfoliating. The Prism products from Herbivore are the best in my opinion. They're so dreamy. They work so well and they smoothen the heck out of your skin. So I go in with one little pump of that and I press that into the skin, and it also has a really nice texture is it feels a little bit more slimy going on, so it is just really gentle, but then it completely dries down, which is really optimal because I don't want to feel like a slimy woman. Ew. Ew, ew. Another serum I follow up with is this one from Caudalie. It's the Vino Perfect Radiance Serum, the Complexion Enhancer. You can tell she is very well loved. I think I was just incorporating this into my skincare routine the last video I did on my skincare, and since then I've completely fallen in love with this. I feel like it has so many glow-giving properties and it is incredible for my skin. I believe that's one of their more popular products as well, and it's for a reason. It does incredible things. I see such a difference when I forget to use it. It's crazy. And then sometimes if I feel like I need some extra hydration, so sometimes I go in with this guy right here, the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Oil Infused Serum. I really like this. I was very hesitant about it in the beginning, but I have been using it every night for like a while now, and helps so much to diminish my acne scars. If I really hydrate my skin, they go away a lot quicker. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this. And then finally for my moisturizers, and then I'll cover the retinols I use as well as my masks. These are my 2 favorite moisturizers right here. One's a little bit more gentle and the other has some actives. So the first one is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hydra Firm Sleeping Cream. This one's great if you just want something very simple and easy. It's unscented, which is amazing. It is very well loved. You can see it's at the bottom of the pot. I just have a little blob in the middle of it left. And the other one is this Caudalie Brightening Glycolic Night Cream, which is the reason why my acne scars have been going away so quickly. This stuff is a dream. I am so happy they came out with this cream. You can see she's well loved as well. I needed to take off my sweater. I was getting a little too hot. Why do I wear huge sweaters in the summer? I will never understand. And now I'm getting itchy because I was cuddling Steve earlier today and I'm allergic to cats. For tonight, I'm going to be using the First Aid Beauty one just because I feel like my skin has enough actives for tonight. I think the Prism serum is going to be good enough for tonight. This one's just very simple and easy and very gentle. It feels really great if you have more sensitive skin. My skin is getting allergic, so felt like this one was the right choice. And my last step in my nightly skincare routine is my lapis oil from Herbivore. I love this stuff so much. It smells so amazing. It has such a unique smell, like I can't compare it to anything else. I'll take like 5 drops of this Blue Magic, kind of squish it between my hands, and I take a huge whiff of it because it signals to my brain it's bedtime, and I swear I fall asleep quicker. It just smells so good. Oh, it's incredible. But I have been really loving to add face oils into my skincare routine, and this one's great. It's very balancing and it helps to lock in everything I just added. But yeah, that's all I do right now. It's a little bit intensive at night, but it's definitely worth it for my skin personally. But now I'm going to talk about the retinols I have been using. I'm very new to them, so I'm not super knowledgeable in them yet, and they definitely do intimidate me, so when I use them I'm very careful to not mix them with a lot of active ingredients, or I'm very simple when I use them. But these are the 3 of them that I have in my collection. The Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask, same with the little eye cream version. These ones are really nice. I think these are my favorite Glow Recipe products because they are very lightly scented. Like I seriously can't detect a fragrance at all, which is nice because their products are super heavily scented, usually like banana or watermelon, but since avocados don't really have a smell, it's great. And then the other one that is very new to me, I've only used this twice I believe, is the Ren Bio-Retinoid Anti-Wrinkle Concentrate Oil. This one's apparently very nice and gentle. Apparently it's a good one when you're just dipping your toes into retinols, so I've heard amazing things about this one. Now let's get into other products I use here and there. If I want to use a physical exfoliant, which is super rare for me, this is the one that I really enjoy. It's the Youth to the People Resurfacing Energy Facial Instant Microdermabrasion Enzyme Treatment. It is really nice. The particles are super, super tiny and they don't feel very rough, which is nice, but it does a really nice job at physically exfoliating. And it's also a nice texture because it's whipped, so it feels a lot more gentle than a lot of products I've tried out like this. I have 5 masks that I use on rotation that are my absolute favorites. The first one here is the Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial. This one's really great. It has exfoliating qualities. It has PHAs in it, which is really nice. This is a mask that really shows a difference when you use it. It's fantastic and I love it so much. And it's a fun one because when you use it, it pumps out pink, but then you have to rub it in until it turns white and then you know it's activated, which is great. The other one that I like to use is the Caudalie Instant Detox Mask. This one's really great to really pull out extra sebum and things like that if you need like more of a clay-based mask. Of course, I needed to mention the Herbivore Prism. It's just a more intense version of the serum. It has 20% AHA and BHAs, so it's very exfoliating. If you have any texture, this will remove it overnight. It's amazing. And then I have these 2 as well from Ren, which are amazing. The Glycolactic Radiance Renewal Mask, as well as the Evercalm Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask. One's really hydrating and the other one has exfoliating properties that really help to lighten up the dark spots on your skin. But those are all of my skincare products I use. I really hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. Let me know what you'd like to see next in the comments down below. I will also make sure to link all of these products in the description down below as always, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye!